Most people struggle with NVIDIA certified Agentic AI certification preparation because they prepare like it's a regular generative AI certification. But let me be honest with you, it's actually not. The NVIDIA certified Agentic AI examination is not going to be testing about your prompting. It's not going to be testing about the generative AI tricks. It tests whether you understand the foundations of Agentic AI, whether you understand about the architecture of this Agentic AI system. The things like tools, planning, validation, and multi-agent reasoning. So in this video, I'm going to break this down clearly so that you know exactly what you have to focus on when you're preparing for this examination. Let's start by understanding what the examination actually tests. See, the NVIDIA Agentic AI examination is going to be evaluating you on the agentic architecture, your understanding about the tool calling, whether you have a knowledge about how planning works in the agentic AI system and how can we achieve the orchestration in a complex scenario, and how to make use of memory, the concept of short-term memory, long-term memory, the shared state that is shared across the various agent, and more importantly, the validation and multi-agent pattern. It can be supervisor worker pattern, it can be parallel processing pattern, or the hierarchical pattern. It's going to be testing about all these concepts. So if you understand these core elements, your chances of clearing the examination will go up dramatically. Now, let's look into the key reason as why people fail in this NVIDIA certified agentic AI examination. See, the most people fail because they do the wrong type of preparation. They watch generative AI videos or they learn just basic LLM prompting and they just walk into the agentic AI examination. When you do that, obviously, the chances of clearing the examination will become very less. So, what this examination wants is the examination wants the enterprise thinking. That means it wants you to think about how agent reasons, how it chooses tool, how when it has to call them. And once it actually does that, it also going to be testing about whether it's working as per the expectation. It will look into the governance part and overall validation of the outcome. The moment you shift your mindset from generative AI to the agentic AI, the examination would actually start making sense for you. And another key thing that I've observed over here is whenever the learner is preparing for the examination, they do not think from real scenario as how agentic AI system would work. They'll just depend on their current knowledge on LLM or LLM foundation. Now, for you to master this examination in a single attempt, so what are the core five domains that you have to focus on? Because the NVIDIA keeps on asking these domain again and again in the examination. First and foremost, it is agent foundations or the agent fundamentals. Second, planning. The third one is tool integration and the execution of the tools. Fourth is memory. And fifth is multi agent reasoning. So these are the core five areas that you have to concentrate when you're preparing for your examination. And everything else, I would say it becomes straightforward for you as you start focusing on these four or five core areas that I've just described right now. Now, let's have a look into the real question patterns. So instead of memorizing the definition, what you have to master is understanding the question pattern. Like a simple example can be how should the agent plan? Or which tool should select the agent to perform a task? Or which information or what information that my agent need? The another simple pattern that you have to concentrate for your thinking is how do we validate a response? And how does the workflow continue after it selects a tool? And how can we implement the RAG? And how to implement the enterprise safety and compliance? How can we efficiently make use of memory? These are the real things that NVIDIA tests. And once you understand these patterns in any agentic AI system, the question becomes almost predictable for you. Now that you have this idea, let's have a look into your weekly study plan. See, your weekly study plan should be something like this. Now, if I had to prepare from scratch, this is what exactly I would do. On week one, I would focus on the agent basics and the planning component of it. On week two, I would focus on tools and memory. And on week three, I'll be focusing on the multi agent workflow. And on week four, I'll be focusing myself completely on practice test answers wherever that have missed. I'll go ahead and revise those topics and ensure that I'm examination ready. So if you just follow this weekly plan, you will build confidence in a very quick manner. Now, when you're preparing for your examination, these are some of the common mistakes that you need to avoid at any cost. First and foremost, you have to stop memorizing the term. And second key thing, do not ignore the validation part. And third, and the most important one is, do not ignore the tool governance and more importantly, from the enterprise context. So think of this in this way. The NVIDIA certified agentic AI examination is like an architecture examination. It's not a coding one, it's more of an architecture one. Your thinking matters most compared to the syntax. Now, another key thing that you also have to remember is the checklist on the examination day. On the examination day, before you start or before you even think of a date, ensure that these are the concepts that you're confident of it. Like, first and foremost, you need to have an understanding about how planning node would work and how tools are used and why they are used and how the memory is going to be helping and importance of the validation logic and how it fits in the enterprise workflow. If you can answer these elements, you are already ahead of 90% of people who are taking the examination. And right now, the NVIDIA is giving 50% off on the examination fee until December 31st. So just use the coupon code NVCARTEOY50. Use this coupon code at the checkout and avail 50% discount on the examination fee. Honestly, this is the cheapest entry into the agentic AI engineering, which we see all year in 2026. Folks, in case if you are looking to master in an easy manner, if you want full practice test, hands-on video that goes step by step through all these domains, and more importantly, helps you prepare in a structured manner, I've linked everything right below the video. You'll get 5 full-length practice tests, detailed explanation, hands-on preparation for your first attempt in a structured manner. So this will help you to get started and start your 2026 strong for the next hiring process and the next season that's going to kick in. I wish you all the very best for your certificate examination. If you've got any questions, comment down this video. And if you have found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe because I'll be posting more Agentic AI interview and certification content every week. Thanks for watching.